In this video, we'll show you 6 life hacks you need to know. Easy tape cutter. Having trouble tearing off that packing tape? Not to worry. Create an easy tape cutter using a zip tie. Simply wrap the zip tie around the roll of tape with the end facing up. Cut the end of the zip tie at an angle to create a point. Now you can easily cut the tape by pulling back against the zip tie. Double your soap. Find your soap or lotion bottles getting used up quickly. Tie a rubber band to the neck of the nozzle to force the bottles to dispense less liquid, instantly making it last twice as long. Untie knots. Can't seem to untie that knot on your grocery or other plastic bags? No need to tear up the bag. Simply take the end and twist it up tight. Now gently push back to slide the knot open. Easily save plastic bags to reuse. Sharpen scissors. That pair of scissors feeling a little dull? All you need is a sheet of aluminum foil to give it a quick sharpening. Fold your sheet of aluminum foil over a couple times, then give it a few good cuts with your scissors to instantly sharpen those blades. Open garbage bags. Having a hard time peeling apart that garbage bag with your dry fingers? No need to lick your dirty fingers. Simply hold the opening and give it a quick stretch. You'll see that helps loosen the two sides to easily open. Clean vacuum filters. Clean the HEPA filter to your handheld vacuum with ease using this hack. Make sure you do this over a container or garbage bin. Simply hold the filter on one end and using your favorite massage gun on the other. Cleans in seconds. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.